I'm Shadow Sparkle, and today I'm going to make some worry dolls. Now you can make a cat worry doll, a dog worry doll, a little girl worry doll, a little boy worry doll, or even a little granny worry doll. Now you tell your worry doll your worry, and then you put the worry doll under your pillow that night, and then that morning then your worry is gone. Or you can take your worry doll to school and put it in your pocket, so then you feel safer. Now let's get started. Now you'll need some fabric glue, some markers, some scissors, but remember scissors are very sharp. And you'll need 3 shades of wool, one for the hair, one for the skin colour, one for the dress or skirt or top. And you need pipe cleaner, you need some beads for the shoes, you need 8 pieces of wool for the hair, and you need to cut this 4 inches long. So let's start making the worry doll. So first I'm going to get my pipe cleaner and shape it like this, and I'm going to put my finger in and just twist it around for a nap. Now I'm going to pull my finger out. Now this is the head. Now I've got 2 pieces there. So now I'm going to get the arm and I'm going to bend it. You can get it how long you want. And then I need to screw the arm, and then I need to do the same with the other arm. So now I need to twirl around the waist of the body. And now I've got my match. And now I'm going to get my 8 pieces of wool, and I'm going to get one of them and hang it like a Christmas decoration. So I need to put it around the head and then tie a knot there and bring it up. And you can slide it along. This needs to be very tight. Then next I need to do the same all over again with all my pieces of string. That's it, the hair is done. So now I need to start the skin colour. Now I'm going up to the face. Now I need to cut the end off, but I need to leave a little bit of space. It should look like this. Now I need to get my glue that I got from Craft, and need to just stick a little bit of glue at the back of my knife. Of my little doll. And I need to just stick the wool on it. Now just hold your finger on it for a few minutes. I need to put the dress on. So I need to get the wool and start under one of the armpits. And then you need to go like over like a handbag strap. And then start going around the arm. And you need to leave a little hand at the end. Now I need to go to the other one and start with the other arm. Now I just need to go around the waist of the dog. Now you just need to go down to the left. Remember at the waist you might need to fasten her up a little bit. You need to keep on going over and over. Now I covered it all up and left a bit of room for the feet and the arms. And now I just need to cut the end off, but just leave a little bit. Like I did with the head. Just like this, like a second. Now you put that bit at the back and stick it with your glue. And now I'm gonna get 2 beads. I would choose the same colour, but you can choose any colours you want. And you need to get your glue and put them carefully on the bead. Now I need to stick it on my feet. Now make sure the pipe clean doesn't get through the other end. Now I need to put the other one on. So now I need to put the eyes and the mouth on my doll. you made your own worry doll. Bye guys, see you next time. Thank you for watching.